Hi guys. So in preparation for the upcoming exams, I decided to make this video where I look at and go through all the past papers that have been written and have been created by the IEB about Donker Web. So the most recent one is the May 2025 one, and then we're going to go all the way back to the first one, and that was written November 2023. And what I'm going to do is I'm not going to go through question 1, 2, 3. I'm going to take a topic, for example, Greg's family, and then I'm going to go through the first paper and see where do they ask questions about the family, and then what questions do they ask. So these videos will be in parts, otherwise it's going to be too long. I'm going to read the question immediately. I'm going to translate it in my head into English. Otherwise, if I read in Afrikaans, then translate into English, it's going to be too long. Well, we're going to see how it goes. You are welcome to pause the video to see the exact Afrikaans wording, of course, but I will also put the link of the website where I got these papers and the memos from. You can also just go and get it, but I will put that in the description. Let's go. In this video, we are going to look at questions all about the einde, the end of the book, the end of the beker. Let's go. We start with May 2025. So vraag 3, the dialoog vraag. 3.10, this is a conversation between Rina and Dirk. We continue where in the previous video we ended off, where Rina and Dirk's talking about what happened there at the end. How did they find the baker with the facial recognition, etc. And now, the previous question said that they found Plank there. Now, 3.10 says, he apparently looked very bad. How did he try to warn Xander and Greg that it was a trap? A trap is a lokval. And the answer is, hy het 'n waarskuwing op die foon getik. He typed a warning on the phone. 3.11. Where did the guards take them and who was waiting for them? And the answer is binne die koninklike tuine. That is where they took them and who was waiting? Valkyrie. 3.12. Where were you and Isla when all of this happened and how did you get to them? The answer is die soldate het ons gevang en ons na die koninklike tuine gevat. The soldiers captured us and took us to the royal gardens. 3.13. How did you distract the baker so that you could escape? Now this is very important. Xander het hom vertel dat hy al sy dokumente ontsyfer het en dat dit uitgestuur gaan word na koerante en polisie reg oor die wêreld. Xander told him that he had decoded his documents and they were going to be sent to newspapers and police worldwide. Okay, now we move on to the essay question, die opstelvraag. And there we have the heading of that paragraph, wraak, revenge, the first bullet point. Wat doen Xander toe die baker aanhou vertel waarmee hy besig is? What does Xander do when the baker keeps boasting about what he's doing? So Xander launches an attack on the baker's computer. He shuts down his labs, his lab systems, or Xander shoots the baker. So Xander loods 'n aanval op die baker se rekenaars, of hy sluit die baker se laboratorium rekenaars, of Xander skiet die baker. Second bullet point, wie kom in die chaos weg? Who gets away in the chaos? And the answer is Valkyrie, she escapes. Third one, wat doen die persoon, this is now the person that gets away, om wraak te neem teen Xander en Greg? We need to know the word wraak, né? Revenge. What is the person, we know it's Valkyrie, what does she do to take revenge on Xander and Greg? Sy maak 'n boot ongeluk of sy jaag in hulle vas en laat die soldate op hulle skiet. She causes a boat collision. She crashes into them and let the soldiers shoot at them. And then the last bullet point. Wie is die ongelukkige persoon wat sy lewe moet opoffer, sacrifice, sodat Greg en Xander lewendig kan wegstap? Who's the unlucky person who sacrifices their life so that Greg and Xander can escape? And the sad answer is Plank. Okay, now we move to November 2024. This is again at vraag 3, the dialogue question. So a conversation between Isla Sama and Xander. And she asks, or she says, Greg has suffered so much. How did he lose his best friend? Hoe het hy sy beste vriend verloor? And the answer says Greg's best friend Plank is dood. Plank is dead. I do not know if I would have just said he's dead. I would have thought that they would asking how, but they say he's just dead. Okay, 3.11. Who was the fifth person on the boat that night when the accident happened? The one who drove the boat. So wie het die boot bestuur? Wie is die vyfde persoon? En dit is oom Dirk. Hy het die boot bestuur. 3.12. Why did the newspapers initially think that it was Greg? En die antwoord is van Plank het die transponder in sy hand wat in Greg se naam geregistreer is. Plank had the transponder implanted in his hand that was registered in Greg's name. And 3.13. I'm very thankful nothing happened to you and Isla. How did Greg manage to return to South Africa without a passport? Sonder 'n paspoort. And the answer is oom Dirk se kontakte by die ambassade het hulle gehelp. Oom Dirk's contact at the embassy helped them. And then at the essay question, we have a bullet point here. Wat doen Zander uiteindelik toe hy voor die byker staan en besef dat hy die slang uit die weg moet ruim? What does Zander finally do when he stands before the baker and realizes that the snake must be removed? Zander shoots the baker. Zander skiet die baker. Okay, now we move on to May 2024. Again, vraag 3, the dialogue question. 3.14, the mom, Greg's mom, tells him, I am so glad that I asked Dirk to find out that you were safe. Who shot the baker? Wie het die baker geskiet? So, the second time that we get this question. So, who shot the baker? Zander. Then 3.15. Waarom dink die polisie dat dit jy is wat in die kanaal gevind is? Again, we get this question. Why does the police think that the body found in the water is you? And we've had this question. Plank het die transponder in sy hand ingeplant. Plank had the transponder implanted in his hand and the transponder was registered in my name, in Greg's name. Now we move on to November 2023. Op watter manier het die baker dit reg gekry om vir Greg te vergiftig? How did the baker manage to poison Greg? So there was poison on the hat or the cap that the street vendor put on Greg's head. Daar was gif op die hoed of op die pet wat die straatverkoper op Greg se kop gesit het. And number 2, wat is die enigste manier hoe Greg se lewe gered kan word? What is the only way Greg's life could be saved? En hy moet homself met die teengif inspuit. Remember, you need to know the word teengif, not anti-gif, that's English, anti, teengif. He had to inject himself with an antidote. And then the last bullet point. Zander kan dit nie meer verdra dat die baker so groot praat oor al die wrede goed wat hy gedoen het nie. Wat doen Zander volgende? So Zander can no longer tolerate the baker bragging about his cruelty. What does Zander do next? Hy gryp die geweer en skiet die baker dood. He grabs the gun and shoots the baker dead. Again, we've had this question before. It's very important that you know who killed the baker. It was Zander and he shot him. Okay, these videos are broken up. Otherwise, it will be very long. So go to the next one to learn about the next topics and next question. Okay, guys, I hope that this helped you. Click below here where I landed to check out the playlist. Goodbye.